what sparked my interest in becoming a DJ for my career, I would say I was very attracted to the art of scratching, hip hop, breakdancing, graffiti artwork, rap music. And I tried all the other elements. I was not good at dancing, I was not good at graffiti or rapping, but the DJing I could do. I was always kind of a shy kid, but everyone wants to be friends with a DJ, so yeah, that's just kind of how it started. In this day and age with so many DJs, you have to have something that stands out. By utilizing my scratching skills and my, technical skill set, I think that's kind of what sets me apart from the others.
So Digging the Crates is the name of the program that we started here in 2016 at Virginia Tech, a hip hop studies program where we celebrate DJing, airsoft art, dance, and rapping and MCing. DJing is all about community, hip hop's all about community, so this is a good way to foster the community of creatives at Virginia Tech. Virginia Tech provides opportunities for them to pursue whatever they're interested in and hopefully meet some other people that are interested in what they're doing.
My goal before I graduate is to learn to scratch to a certain extent. Finding out that one of Anderson .Paak's DJs was coming for this event today, I was like, okay, this is actually pretty cool. Even though I don't DJ, I can still learn. My plan is to still be fully engaged, get involved, to soak up the knowledge that he's bringing with him today.
It feels really great to come back to Tech and be able to connect with students and kind of advise them with some of this DJ stuff because, when I was a kid coming to school here, they didn't have many programs like this, but what we did have was a good community. I think that camaraderie, I'm feeling it again. It's good to be back.